Hello boys and girls, my name is Chelsea and I'm a registered dietitian at TriState Memorial Hospital. And today we are going to be learning about knife skills and safety. This is one of the most important skills to master in the kitchen, as knives help us to cut, chop, and dice ingredients to make delicious meals and snacks. So first, we want to talk about our knife and how to be safe with it. So we have the handle, which is what you always want to grab to pick up your knife so we don't accidentally cut ourselves. And then you have the blade. The top of the blade is really dull. We don't use that end to cut. We always have the blade down, which is where it's sharp. This is why you always want to have an adult to help supervise so that we are being safe when cutting and preparing our ingredients and we don't accidentally get hurt. So one of the skills that we need to master is how to properly hold your food to keep it firm. Make sure you get your cutting board out to chop or cut any of your ingredients, and then you get your bear claw out. Tucking those fingers back and holding firmly onto your food so that our fingers are tucked back and we can't accidentally cut them. And then you're gonna have your blade down, cutting nice and even to get that food safely chopped up for whatever you are preparing.
Okay, I'm here with my helpers and they're ready to practice their knife skills and knife safety. They have their knives picked up by the handle with the blade down, ready to make nice, even cuts. So get our bear claws out, our fingers down, hold your piece of fruit firmly, and make nice, even cuts. And we're practicing our skills to make the rainbow fruit salad, which can be found on page 26 of your cookbook. We have a nice variety of fruits using strawberries, grapes, blueberries, oranges. It called for apples, but I forgot to get some pineapple juice or lemon so that it doesn't turn brown. But you could really add whatever fruit you have on hand and make a nice fruit salad to enjoy on these hot summer nights. We're going to bring ours camping with us. You both are doing a great job. Parker, get your fingers back. Fingers back to protect those fingers, okay? Down straight, good. And if you felt, depending on your child's cutting ability, you could practice with a butter knife too. Fingers back, too close, Parker. Okay. And then you can see this nice, beautiful salad we're creating. Learning a new skill takes lots of time and practice. So the more you get to be involved with the cooking and the cutting and preparing, the better we'll become with our knife skills. But remember to always use knives safely. See you next time.